Namaste, Dr. Charu and Yoga Heals. Thank you. Today we are going to start a new topic. Chair yoga. So what is chair yoga? Chair yoga was originally started for people who could not sit down on the mat due to problems with their knee joints, arthritis or other issues. Also for elderly people because of joint problems. But chair yoga is actually quite beneficial, not just for people with joint problems, but also for people with normal joints, but in some other situations. For example, you do not have a mat, not enough of a reason to not do yoga, always got a chair. So when you are in your office or even at home, sitting at your desk and you want to take a break from your work, well, why not practice 1, 2, 3 yoga asanas? So most or a lot of yoga asanas can be performed while seated in a chair with some modification, and we will slowly cover some of them. So try to adopt this habit, sitting in your office, take a break and perform. And today we are going to just learn 2 of these asanas or poses. Cat and cow stretch, which we have covered, the normal one on the mat. And today we do the variation on the chair. And the eagle hands pose while seated on a chair. So let's see how to practice. You can use any chair, no excuse. So we'll go and sit on the chair comfortably, but preferably not leaning back. The spine is erect. The feet are in contact with the ground. The hands are by the sides. We practice cat and cow, which is a great warm-up stretch for the spine, helps to release the compressions and improve the blood flow. So hands on the knees, spine is straight. And while exhaling, I round my back and take my chin to my chest. Inhaling, I stretch the spine, pull the shoulders behind. My feet are with the earth. Exhale. Inhale. Practice this a few times, at least 10 to 15 times. And slowly keep increasing. Exhale. Inhale. And that's about it. Cat and cow between your work for a healthy spine, better digestion, better respiration. Now, we practice eagle hands. So, the feet are on the floor. Take your hands up slowly by bending the elbows and take the right palm on the left by putting the elbows one into the other. Slowly release. And then the other side. It's alright if it doesn't come all the way through. As soon as you are consistent and getting better slowly every day. It's important to build a habit. Eagle is great for stretching of the arms, the elbows, and improves any injuries which sometimes happen during sports in the elbows. So, if you have any questions, I'm very happy to answer. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste. Thank you for watching Yoga Heals with Dr. Charu. So we are back with our poses, asanas in the chair to not allow for any excuses for not having a mat. So let's see very quickly how to practice warrior 2 when you take your quick break between your work at home or in your office. You start from the right side, so make sure that your right thigh is on the chair, not mat. Keeping the right knee bent, right foot bent. Try to keep your left leg straight at the knee if possible, and the left foot inside. Keep your back straight, not leaning in any direction. And now looking at your right palm, inhale and stretch, bringing the arms parallel to the floor. The feet are on the floor. Feel the stretch. Stay here for at least 5 breaths, if possible longer, and then slowly release. And then for the other side, shift again Adjust your legs on the chair. Left side perpendicular, right side straight, back straight. Inhale, stretch your left arm and your right arm looking at your left palm. Feel the stretch in your arms, in your back. Pull your tummy in to engage your core muscles. Get them working as well. And the stretch in the legs, of course. And then while exhaling, release. Quickly take a short break while you're working for practicing warrior 2 on the chair. It's very simple and feel free to ask any questions. Thank you. Put up with the left palm and the knee down with the right. Feeling the stretch in the right hip. Either place your hands here or by the side of the chair for support. If you like, then even slightly bend forward while exhaling. Keep the ankle flexed. Come back while inhaling. And now for the other side. Left foot on the right knee. Left knee down, ankle in. Stay here or bend forwards. Stay here for 5 breaths. Come up inhaling and release. Happy to answer any questions. Feel free to reach out. Thank you and namaste.